As Michigan State prepares to reopen, we've received new equipment, undergone new training, and reworked and improved cleaning policies. Our custodial services staff will be using germicidal cleaners, backpack vacuums with HEPA-level filtration, and misting systems to clean more effectively and efficiently. Highly trafficked building touchpoints will be thoroughly cleaned multiple times each day. Across campus, additional hand sanitizing stations are being installed, and new signage will help Spartans and visitors remember to follow health and safety requirements. Make Room for Sparty signage will provide a friendly reminder to maintain at least 6 feet of physical space from others. We take great pride in our work and are doing everything we can to create and maintain a clean, healthy, and safe campus for all.